everyone, this is my top 5 reasons why I love living in New York City. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, my name is Ikey Ajavon. Welcome back to my channel. I make inspirational videos like this one, encouraging you to do things that you want to do. I make music videos, and I also have a quarantine talk show if you're interested. The link is here. So let's just get right into the topic of this video. First, I just want to say that this is a video that is meant to encourage you. I'm using my MacBook webcam, using a mic for my headphones, and I have light from the sun and an idea. But basically, I'm doing this to show you that if you have an idea or something you want to get out there, you can do it. You don't need anything fancy whatsoever. I've made 2 other videos recently talking about the things you need to get started on YouTube or start making videos, but I wanted to pare it down and just show you that you can do it with literally anything. So without further ado, let's get to those 5 reasons why I love it here. Number 1, the vibe, the feeling. And I think a lot of people can relate to it, but obviously not everyone does. But being in New York City, the hustle, the bustle, the subways, the energy, the people, all the millions of people, it's something that to me, I was drawn to from an early age. I came here for my first trip. Basically, I was 17. It was my senior trip for high school, and I've been in love with the place ever since. So number 1, the vibe. Number 2, job opportunities. I think pretty much anyone can attest that New York City is a great place to get a job, right? There's so many people, so many businesses, so many headquarters of big businesses that finding a job that you will love is not easy. But there are a lot of options, and I know I moved from Buffalo, and there are good options there. Not as many as here, though, and I'm assuming it's the same for a lot of places in America, and elsewhere. So I would say jobs. Number 3, cultural diversity. I think a lot of people can say that New York is maybe, I don't know the statistics, maybe I'll pop them up right here. New York is one of the most diverse places in, I would say, probably America. I'm not going to say the rest of the world because I don't know that for a fact, but you can walk down the street and see people from all different ethnicities, all different countries, all different backgrounds. You walk through the park, you're hearing people talking in all different languages. You can go to different parts of town that are very specific to different cultures, and it's just amazing. It's fantastic. I think everyone knows and agrees on this. And for a lot of people, hopefully that's a reason why they would love this place. I can see why some people might not, but those people are crazy, so we'll just leave them to the side. So yeah, I think the cultural diversity is one of the most amazing parts about the city, which leads nicely into number 4, which is the food variety. With a very diverse culture comes a lot of different types of food, and that food all happens to be amazing. You can literally get anything you want any time of day in any area of New York City, and it's going to be fantastic, and it's going to be authentic, and you're going to love it. And of course, I can't make a video about New York and not do a nod to the king of all of it, New York pizza slices. Oh, where would it be without them? They're absolutely the best. So food across the board, New York City absolutely just crushes. Ooh, it's good. Number 5, there's always something to do, whether that is going out to eat, whether you're going to bars, like there's unlimited bars basically. There's huge parks, tons and tons of museums, art galleries. You got theater, you got movies, you can go to the beach, not too far away. There's just all sorts of things to do. There's different piers you can go to in the summer and play all sorts of games, mini golf, anything you can think of you can find here. Like, that's maybe one of the best parts and kind of sums up this quick list. And if you're thinking about moving to New York, you should do it. I highly encourage you to. But that's it for this video. This again was just a little case study of showing you that if you have a camera, light, sound, and an idea, you can make a video. I believe in you. Remember to stay positive. Better days are coming.